Every week, you end up with pages of meeting notes, and turning them into a clean report feels like a whole separate job. You've got notes from Monday, scattered updates from Tuesday, random bullet points from Wednesday, and now you're expected to turn all of that into something clear and structured. So you sit there copying, pasting, grouping, rewriting, trying to make everything look organized. And what should take a few minutes turns into 30, sometimes even 60 minutes. Here's the real problem. The issue isn't your notes, it's the consolidation. You're trying to sort, structure, and rewrite information from multiple sources all at once. That leads to missed details, duplicated points, and inconsistent reports. Sometimes the same update shows up twice, or important decisions get buried, and your report ends up less useful than it should be. But here's the twist. The problem isn't the volume of notes, it's how you're combining them. Most people try to organize everything manually, but weekly reports aren't meant to be built piece by piece. They should be generated from all your notes at once. And this is where things change. Instead of manually compiling everything, use what's called the weekly report system. Here's how it works. Step 1. Gather all your meeting notes from the entire week. Don't organize or clean them, just collect everything in one place. Step 2. Paste everything into AI and give a clear instruction. Combine these into a structured weekly report. Step 3. Define the format. Ask for sections like summary, key updates, decisions, and action items so it's easy to read. Step 4. Refine once by saying, remove duplicates and group similar points for clarity.
Quick example.
Your notes might look like this. Monday discussed product launch delay. Tuesday marketing not ready. Wednesday design team working on assets. Thursday launch moved to next week. Now you paste that in and ask for a structured weekly report. And the output becomes summary. Product launch delayed due to incomplete marketing and design assets. Key updates. Marketing not ready. Design team working on assets. Decision. Launch moved to next week. Action items. Finalize design assets. Prepare marketing materials. Same information, but now it's clean, structured, and ready to share. Now here's the part most people miss. You don't need to organize notes. You need to merge them intelligently. Once you do this, everything changes. What used to take 30 to 60 minutes every week now takes under 2 minutes, and your reports become more consistent, clearer, and easier for your team to act on. No more repeated work, no more confusion, and no more messy updates. So the takeaway is simple. Stop organizing notes manually. Combine and convert them into reports instantly. Like, subscribe, and if you want faster weekly reporting, check the description for more.